Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you write sentences with but and because and write about yourself with short paragraphs. This is for pre-intermediate Certificate 1 English students. Use but for different things or actions. Start with a sentence. I live in Australia. Use but and add a different thing or action. So you can see in the sentence, I live in Australia, but my parents live in Iraq. So the different thing is two different countries. Start with a sentence. I like football. Use but and a different thing. My brother likes tennis. So here we have two different sports. I like football, but my brother likes tennis. Here's another example. I work in a cafe, but I want to be a doctor. So here we have two different jobs. I work in a cafe, but I want to be a doctor. Next, let's look at writing short paragraphs. Paragraph number 1 will be our personal details. So you can see I have written two sentences, my name and age in sentence 1, and where I live and my country in sentence 2. So we can see where I live and my country I'm from are two different things. So we're going to change and to but. I live in Brisbane, but I am from Thailand. Our next paragraph, number 2, is for our family. So we have some sentences here about me and about my brothers and sisters. So you can see in the last sentence, my brother lives in Sydney and my sister lives in America. We're going to change this and to but because they are two different places, two different cities and countries. Yeah, so now we have my brother lives in Sydney, but my sister lives in America. And then paragraph number 3 is for school or work that we do. So you can see we have some sentences here using and. This time I'm going to add a new sentence. I like my job, something different, but I want to be a nurse. Use because to say why we do an action. First, start with a sentence. I go to school. Use because. And then we add why do we do this action? Why do we go to school? I want to learn English. Here's another example. Start with a sentence. I like Australia. Use because. Why do we like Australia? The people are friendly. We go to the beach because. Why do we go to the beach? We love swimming. Use because to say why we do an action. Let's look at our sentences from before. We're going to add some more information using because. I like Brisbane because it is a clean, safe city. We're going to add more to paragraph number 2 about our family. So my sister lives in America. Why does she live in America? Because her husband is American. Adding a little more to our work and study. I go to English classes because. Why do I go to English classes? I need more English for university. So practice writing sentences with but to show something different and because to say why we do something. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.